if you're experiencing a verification pending status on iDEAL, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in the verification process. Step 2. Refresh the payment page. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing issues with the verification process. Step 4. Contact your bank. Reach out to your bank's customer service for assistance. They can provide information on whether there are any issues with your account that might be causing the delay. Step 5. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists, consider using an alternative payment method. This can help you complete your transaction while you resolve the verification issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending status on iDEAL quickly. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from iDEAL support.